You know, someone mentioned to me, they said, Memphis Mike, we wouldn't mind a video of you doing a little grilling and doing a little cooking like you do. I toyed with the idea, but, you know, I'm a motorcycle channel, but somebody said, hey, man, show us what you do on the patio. So here we go. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Memphis Mike here, and today we're out on the patio. We're going to be grilling up some wings on the Weber Performer Deluxe today. Let me show you how this is done. I enjoy my gold wing, but I also like some smoked wings. That's right. So you can see I've started my grill up here, and actually in the center you can see all my fire going on. I'm using the Weber Vortex. It's in the center of the grate, and that way I can get the wings going kind of off-centered on there. I got the fire going. It's nice and hot. I have seasoned them on the backside. I'm going to cook the backside first with some Heath Riles apple rub. I'll do that on both sides, and then we'll top them off with some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce right there. And really, so now I'm going to throw a little hickory chunk on there. You don't need much. Probably take these things barely an hour to go and everything. So straight out of the package. And now they are going. So we're going to close these up. That's right. You can see I've even got my grill stickered up. It's not a Honda grill, but ooh, I do bleed and ride red, man. Even got some stickers over here. A little bell helmet. Got me a little decal from Wing Nuts. Adding a few stickers there. Got Wings of Tennessee. Gold Wing Music Man Moto Vlogger. That's the Wheels Through Time in Maggie Valley. We got Two Wheeled Rider also on the grill right here. And while we're at it, we might as well throw on some smoked sausage. And I'm probably going to finish up with some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. Sweet Baby Ray makes some great stuff. Great stuff. I highly recommend it. You want to get that nice tangy seasoning. Even the dog's kind of waiting around, hanging out. What do you say, Penny? Yeah, hey, Dad, when's the wings ready? That's right. Say hi to you too, Penny. Yeah, let's see what we're at. We're at about, that's hot. About 450. That thing will probably come on up to about 500 degrees right there. Get those things nice and crispy on the Weber Performer Deluxe. Live to ride, ride to eat. Well, since we're at it, why don't we just add a brewski to the Memphis Mike Brewery. Blue Moon Mango Wheat. Not my favorite, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Oh, yeah. All right, so we're almost at about the 30-minute mark. We're going to check these things and kind of see what they're looking like right now. Temps at about 400 degrees on the Weber. All right, coming along nicely. Good, got some good color going. Good color going. Wings are easy. They are easy. Don't have to overthink it. Just throw them on and enjoy. It's the whole key to life. Just enjoy doing what you do. I like to ride motorcycles. I like to grill on my grill. My whole key to eliminating stress out of my life. Motorcycle is one way to eliminate that stress, and grilling, same thing. I enjoy grilling, just doing what I love to do. You should do the same thing, whether it be motorcycling, skiing, bicycling, whatever. Just enjoy doing what you're doing. All right, we're going to check these now. I've been on about 35 minutes or so. So you can see the color's looking pretty good on these things right here. It's going to be shortly. We'll flip these over and just keep cooking. All right, I'm gonna flip these things over. And get that other side going. Oh, you can hear that sizzle. Hear that sizzle. All right, so we flipped them all over. We're gonna take a little more of my apple rub. Just on the other side, we're gonna season lightly on here. One good thing about this stuff's not too salty. Then after we season them up, I like a lot of smoke. Might add a little more smoke in there to that, and gonna let these run about another 30 minutes or so, and we're gonna have MemphisMike grilled wings. Come on, Dad, give me some wings, man. I don't want to be groomed right now. And my daughter Holly grooming the pooch. About 50 minutes in, man, they're starting to get great color. Look at that color on them things. They're looking good. Looking good. It won't be long. These bad boys will be ready. Heck yeah. Got plenty of smoke on it, plenty of seasoning. Heck yeah. The old Weber's staying at about, well, I just took it off. So, it dropped a little bit, but it's been running about 400 degrees. Won't be long. Man, I love me some wings. Cheap, easy to do. Very easy to do. Oh, yeah. Well, it's been about 1 hour, so I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to toss them and throw them in, and you know what? These things are hot. All right, so we got them in the tub. We're going to take our Sweet Baby Rays. We're going to toss them in. I don't like to put too much in there. So we're going to toss them a little bit and everything. Get them all mixed up a little bit and everything. So, okay, so we've tossed these things. We're going to stick them back on the grill. Let that sauce bake in a little bit. Heck yeah. Man, these things smell so good I could eat them right now. They smell really good. That's a little tiny one right there. A little tiny one. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Wings are so easy to do. They are so easy to do. It's hard to mess them up. Hard to mess them up. Kind of turned them so the thick side is toward the fire a little bit. Right there. Oh man. I can smell them now. I can smell them now. Oh man, just look at that beautiful color they got going on. Woo! All right, so we got them on the grill. We've kind of even add a little more sauce to them and everything. They're going real nice. We're going to let them crisp up, and these things will be done just shortly. We're going to throw these smoked sausages on too while we're at it. Let them sear in on that cast iron grate. Oh, it's going to be some good eating. Mm-mm. Oh, man. Heck yeah. Woo! Oh, yeah. All right, so there we go. Memphis style grilled wings by MemphisMike with a little bit of a smoked sausage going on there. Easy to do. Easy to do. About an hour and a half total. It's time to dig in and enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching as always, YouTube, and I will see you later.